Hey, my name is Mitch with Booth Performance Designs, and today we're going to be talking about how to install your grip anchor. Starting with the non-backstrap version, make sure that our firearm is unloaded. Now what we're going to do is take the grip anchor and insert it into the grip cavity. Now we'll take the included set screw and insert it into the lanyard hole at the base of the grip, and with an Allen key, tighten it until it is flush. Again, we'll make sure the firearm is unloaded. We'll take a punch and drive out the trigger housing retaining pin and remove the back strap. Next, we'll take the grip anchor and partially insert it, and then take our back strap and put it on into the gap left between the grip frame and the grip anchor, and fully insert the grip anchor. Now reinstall your trigger housing retaining pin. Finally, take the included set screw and insert it into the lanyard hole at the base of the grip, and with an Allen key, tighten it until it is flush.